Thanks for the invitation. Well, first of all, let me be very clear about this point. Education is not only a teacher learning process. Education is also a socialization process. In schools, students learn about some disciplinary content, but at the same time, they develop a social relationship among themselves. So, this is socialization, socialization of young generation. No, please, I can't say this. I didn't say this. I didn't say school is not important. What I said education is not the only teacher learning process. Education is interaction. If education is interaction, is socialization. If it's socialization, then school is an agency of socialization. Yeah, that's my point, very clear point, I think so. You ask education and development. Well, question or statement? Question, yeah. The relationship between education and development is marked by some illusions. Illusions. Sometimes they are not innocent illusions because they are motivated politically. Anyway, it's necessary to point out some mistakes in this relationship. For instance, education alone does not generate development. The development of a country is the result of several public policies, innovation, dynamic of internal market, and other factors. Yes, but important for job market, for instance. You ask environment education. Well, environment education has an important role to play today. The ecological crisis is a difficult reality for humanity now and in the near future. But again, we must consider that fundamentally the causes of ecological crisis are economic and political. Yeah? Yes, education science. Today more than ever, the educational process must be guided by science. The world is experiencing today a very dangerous moment with the analyst and fascist positions. Therefore, it's necessary to fortify scientific culture in universities and schools. Well, there are several critical theories in education. There are several critical theories in education, but probably the analytical capacity of many of them has become limited in the face of relationship education and society nowadays. Perhaps educational crisis today is a crisis also of some critical theories in education. Then it's necessary to renew approaches in education. It's necessary to renew critical approaches in education. I think so. This is my point, research point in this moment. Thank you. It's my pleasure.